Hey, what is up, guys? How you doing? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and I'm actually here, up a little late here, doing some work for my business, and I got this idea of the video because people want success in their business, but oftentimes they don't have the mindset to create the success for their business. So I thought to myself, what could someone do every single day? And this is something that I learned too myself to create that success mindset. Number one, what you can do is you can take 30 minutes out of your day to read a book. 30 minutes out of your day to read a book or to read 10 pages of a book, a personal development book. I would highly recommend that you start with a book like Think and Grow Rich. I was looking for it. Think and Grow Rich. Or a book, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Or something to help you develop your mindset personally. Just 30 minutes a day. If you want to do more, you can do more, up to an hour. You can, but just a minimum of 30 minutes a day, every single day. Yes, even on Saturday and Sunday. 30 minutes a day to help you grow your success mindset of reading. The second thing that you can do to help you develop a success mindset is to listen to something positive for 30 minutes a day. I mean, as far as positive, you can buy CDs, you can buy personal development things to help you grow your mindset. You can even go on YouTube and just put in one of my probably best speakers on someone to helping you develop the success mindset would be Jim Rohn. You can plug in Les Brown, you can plug in Zig Ziglar. Most of these things, most of these audios you can find right on YouTube for free. But that's the second thing that you can do to develop your success mindset. Because here's the thing. If you want success in your business, you gotta have a successful mindset. It starts here in your brain. Most people start a business, whether it be in affiliate marketing or network marketing or internet marketing or direct sales, and they think they're going to become very successful in it because they just joined a particular business. But it really is your mindset that determines how successful you will be in that business and how hard you will work in that business. So don't be fooled by thinking that you join a business and you're going to be rich and you're going to be successful. Yes, develop the skill sets that you need to make that business grow, but this here is the most important thing that you can develop for your business, your mindset. So feed your mind. 30 minutes a day, reading a book on personal development to help you grow. 30 minutes a day on helping you listen to an audio at the as well. I can almost guarantee you that no matter what business, whether affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales business that you start, that if you implement this as a part of your business, that you'll start to have success. And I'm only just teaching you from experience that I've learned that no matter what opportunity I become a part of, that if this isn't right, if I'm not feeding this every single day and growing this mindset, then I'm probably not going to have that much good success. So that's my quick tip for you. 2 things that you can do every day to develop your mindset. Guys, I hope you got value from that video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, to the very right there, click that little bell. Also, if you did get value, like the video, share the video, and be a blessing to somebody else. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Peace.